Yes, now children, see here our next chapter, numbers in 3 digits. 2 digit numbers, we discuss about 2 digit numbers. So now we are going to discuss 3 digit numbers. So what we are going to discuss in 3 digit numbers? So see here in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the 3 digit numbers, numbers from 101 to 200, 101 to 200 first. Then after that number names, then third 1000. Then after that place values in 3 digit numbers. In 3 digit numbers, what are the place values? So ones, tens, 100 like that. So that place values we are going to learn. Then after that expansion of 3 digit numbers. Expansion of 2 digit numbers we'll learn in first class. How to expand 2 digit number. If 94 is given, then how to write 94. 90 plus 4, that is 94. 38, 30 plus 8, 38. This expansion form we did in first class. So here the same thing in 3 digit number also we are going to do expansion of 3 digit numbers. Then after that comparison of numbers, comparison, how to compare. So which number is greater than, which number is less than, or the given numbers are equal. So that comparison we are going to discuss, we are going to learn. Then after that, after this addition of 3 digit numbers with carrying. So with carrying, how to add if 3 digit numbers are given. So then with carrying we are going to learn. With carrying, so we are going to learn. Sin minus, and after that subtraction with borrowing. So with borrowing, so how to subtract with borrowing 3 digit numbers. So all these points we are going to discuss in this chapter. So what is our chapter? Our chapter is 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers starts from 100 to 999. So about all these numbers we are going to learn. Expansion of the numbers and how to add, how to subtract, then all these things, how to read the number. So these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, these all points, how many points are the total? 8 points. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. About this 8 concepts, how many concepts? 8 concepts we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, now then after that, so review exercise means what we did in first class, so that again we recapitulate it. So 2 digit numbers, so what we did about 2 digit numbers. So first we recapitulate that problems, then after that we are going to discuss all these points. Okay, all these concepts we are going to learn. First, see here in this first question, in our review exercise, the first question, what he has given, observe and write how many tens and ones are there. How many tens and how many ones. So we have to first we have to observe, and after that we have to write. So first what we have to do, so we have to observe first, then after that we have to write the number. Okay, first this is the first question. So which one is the first question? Okay, this is our first question. In this first question, first we have to observe how many tens are there. How many tens are there? So 1 2 3. How many bars are there? 3 bars are there. 1 2 3. In 3 bars we are keeping cubes. We are keeping 10 cubes. We are keeping 10 cubes vertically. We are keeping 10 cubes vertically. See here how many cubes are there in each bar. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 cubes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 cubes. 10 10 10. How many tens? In 1 bar 1 10 is there. In 2 bars we have 2 tens. In 3 bar we have 3 tens. Then total how many tens? First we have to observe first. So what here 3 bars are there? This is first, second and third. In each bar how many cubes we are keeping in vertically? So 10 cubes we are keeping vertically. So then how many tens? 1 2 3. So after observation, so we have to write. So what he is asking, dash tens means 3 tens. 3 tens we have. Then how many ones? Individual cubes we have to count. Individual cubes. How many individual cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 individual cubes are there. That comes under ones. 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. That is 3 tens, 4 ones. That is 34. 3 tens, 4 ones. 34. Total how many cubes are there? Total 34 cubes. Total 34 cubes. If we count all cubes, then how many cubes we have? 34. Okay. 3 tens, 4 ones. 34. It means 3 tens means 30. 4 tens means 4. 4 ones means 4. 3 tens 30. 30 cubes. And 4 ones means 4. 30 plus 4, 34. 30. This is expanded form of this 34. Okay. Now, so the first question is over. Now the second question. In this second question, first we have to observe first. So how many bars were there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bars means 4 tens. So in each bar 10 cubes were there. If you want to count, then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes were there. So then how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. How many? 4 tens. And how many individual cubes are there here? 2. So that means 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones. That is 42. 42. 4 tens, 2 ones, 42. Then 4 tens 40. 2 ones 2 as it is. 40 plus 2, 42. 42. Next, in this, how many bars we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bars. 5 bars means 5 tens. 5 tens. If you want to count how many are there, then so in each bar we have 10 cubes. 10 cubes. Then ones. How many individual one is there? Individual cube. Only one individual cube is there. 1 ones. 5 tens and 1 ones. That is 51. 5 tens means 50. 1 ones means 1. 50 plus 1, 51. 50 plus 1, 51. So okay, so in this way we have to do. Okay. In the next question, that similar question is given. So in that similar question, 6 bars are given. That is 6 tens and 6 5 ones. 6 tens and 5 ones is given. That is 65. Next one. So that is 60 plus 5. 65 is the answer. Next one. So that this next question is a similar question that you have to do as your home assignment. Okay, students. Now see here, next concept. So numbers we have to write from 101 to 200. 101 to 200. Then how to write 101 to 200? Okay. So till 100 we know. So now we are going to start from 101. So first you have to write here in the first grade 101. 101. So if you want to write like this or like this, that is your wish. Okay. So 101. So I want to take in row. Okay, in the row. So 101. Then after that 102. 102 will come. Then after that 103. Then 104. Then 105. Then 106. 107. 108. 109. Then 110. It is very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way we have to follow. So the 1 in 10 in hundreds place we have to take 1 commonly, we have to write. Okay, so in hundreds place 1 commonly, 111, 112, 113, 114. This in hundreds plus 1 common, so these values we have to change. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 till 99 we have to write. Till 99, so we have to write. But in hundreds place we have to take 1. In hundreds place we have to take 1. But in tens and ones place the values will change. That is in serial order we have to write. Here in hundreds place 1, 14 is there, then 15, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Then 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Okay, next after 30, 31, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. After 39, 40, 140, 140. Then after that 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. After 49, 50, 150. Then 50, after 50, 51, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. After 59, 60, 160, 160, 160. Then after 60, 61, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169. After 69, 70, 170, 170. Then after that 71, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180. After 79, 80. After 79, 80. Next 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 190. Next 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199. After 99, what it comes? This one will change. This one will change. Then we have to take very next 2. After 1, so what will come? 2. Here 99 is there, no? So 0 0 we have to take after 99. That is 200. 200. What we have to take? 200. So here from 1 to 99 we have to write in ones place, in hundreds place 1. After 99, if once 99 is there, then you write here in hundreds place 2, and tens and ones keep 0 0. That is 200. 200. Now this again you have to, so this means, so the method is same for 200 to 299, 201 to 300. Again you have to take 201, 202, 203, the same. So here in hundreds place 1 is there. So then that time, so we have to take in hundreds place 2. If 301 to 303, 400, so again in hundreds place we have to take 3, the remaining the same. So after that 399 we have to take 400. And after that for 409 to 500, again the method is same, but in hundreds place 4 will come. From 501 to 599, so the numbers are same, but in hundreds place we have to get 5. In 601 to 700, in hundreds place 6 will come, the remaining all same. So in this way, so you have to complete, means similarly we can write the rest of the numbers till 999. It is very easy to write. It is very easy to write. So only here in 100 means 100 means in 100 place we have to take 1. In 200 means in hundreds place we have to take 2, and rest of the places 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 serial numbers we have to write. If 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 9, so in tens place we have to keep zeros. Then after that 11, 12 as usual we have to write as usual. So we have to write as usual. Okay. So in the similar way, so we can write till 999. So you have to write till 999. So in this way. Okay. Okay students, next here in the exercise, so some numbers are given, so we have to complete the remaining grids. Here see how to complete the remaining grids. Here 340 means we have to take the successor 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Why? Because 300 is given. The 300 is same we have to keep 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349. The thing is here 300 is given. In hundreds place we have to take 3 only. So don't change hundreds place value. Then 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 we have to write. Okay, 341, 342, 343, 344 like that. Here 350 after 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358, 359. After 59 what will come? 360. Now 61, 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369. So in this way we have to fill the numbers. Okay, 60, 61, 62 in the serial we have to write. So first we have to check what is there in ones place, in hundreds place, so that we have to keep constant, means don't change hundreds place, and the rest of the numbers in serial, so we have to write 2-digit numbers. 500, here 5 is in hundreds place, means rest of the means 2-digit, means last 2 digits, one sentence we have to, so take successors. Here to 571 means 72, 572, 573, 574, 575, 576, 577, 578, 579. After 79, 580. After 80, 581, 582 is given, 583, 584, 585, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590. After 89, 90. 591 is given. Then after that 592, 593, 594, 595, 596, 597, 598, 599. Here 99. Here 99 came. So then after, if 99 came, then after that which number we have to write? In hundreds place 5 is there, then we have to increase by 1. So 5 after means taking successor of this 5. So successor is 6. 5 successor is 6. When we have to take the successor? When 99, after 99. 5 successor we have to take. If 5 is there, 5 successor. If 4 is there, 4 successor. 3 is there, 3 successor we have to take. That is 6. In the remaining places we have to take 2 zeros. 600, that is 600. 600. Okay. Now this is also as usual we have to write 950, 951, 952, 953, 954, 955, 956, 957, 958, 958, 959, 960, 961, 962, 963, 964, 965, 966, 967, 968, 969, 970. After 70, 971, 972, 973, 974, 975, 976, 977, 978, 979. In serial means serial numbers we have to fill. Okay, so according to given numerals. Okay, now see here number names. Now we are going to discuss about, we are going to learn how to read, how to write number names. Number names. See here first. So 1, 2, 5. If 1, 2, 5, this is a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. 3-digit number. Then how to read this one? So see here. So the first one is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So 1 is in hundreds place. Then how to read 100? 100, 100, 25, 20, 25. So 125. Then how to read 125? Then, so what it means? 100, 100, 2 tens, 5 ones, 5 ones. 100, 2 tens and 5 ones, 125. So this is in hundreds place, we have to write 100, 125. It means 100, 2 tens, 5 ones. That is 125. 125. This, in this way we have to read 125. Okay. So in this exercise, second exercise, some numerals are given. So we have to write the number names. How to write the number names? See here. See in the first one, so 138. This is a 3-digit number. Then how to read? First, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, and this is in hundreds place. Then how to read this one? 100, 138. How to read? 138. Right here. 138. 138. Then this one, how to read this one? This is in ones place, this is in tens place, and this is in hundreds place. 1 in hundreds place, it means 100, 4 to 42, 142. Yeah, 140, 142. Next, here 7 to 5. This is also a 3-digit number. Then how to read? So this is in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. What is there in hundreds place? 7. It means 700. 700. 700. 2, 5, 25. 25. 25. 725. Next, 530. So it is a 3-digit number. First one in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. In hundreds place 5 is there. It means 500. 500. 30. 530. 530. Next, here this is in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. In hundreds place 3 is there. It means 300. 8, 9, 89. 389. 389. 389. So in this way we have to, read means we have to write the number names. What is there in hundreds place that we have to write? If 5 is there, 500. If 7 is there, 700. The remaining 2 numbers, how to read that we know, 2-digit numbers that we have to write in words, in simple. So we have to write the given number names in this form. Okay, students.